Hi guys, Henry here. So today I want to talk for UK expats in what options you have as a Hargreaves Lansdown alternative. Now a lot of people come to me and ask me, what have I got that's like Hargreaves Lansdown, because I can't invest in that as an expat. I'm outside the UK, Hargreaves Lansdown won't let me invest in them. Firstly, let's have a look at Hargreaves Lansdown. What actually does it offer? Well, a lot of people don't know this, but the fees on the platform are 0.45%. It does have a lot of clean funds in terms of entry and ongoing costs, and it has a wide funds and stocks range. You can get all those options offshore in regards to the funds and the stocks. In terms of the cost, now I'm going to go over two of the advisor-led platforms that you can get offshore and also one of the DIY ones. For the advisor-led platforms, you have Arden and Novia, 0.3 to 0.4 cost. Trading, yes, it's a bit more expensive than Hargreaves Lansdown. You're looking at £5 to £20 per trade, so it's not a trading platform. Neither is Hargreaves Lansdown. And you can get the same terms of funds and stocks as you would get with Hargreaves Lansdown. For DIY, you have interactive brokers or Swissquote. Again, you can get more or less the same funds as you can get on Hargreaves Lansdown, also the stocks as well. Also a wider range with both of the platforms. You have a wider range of stocks and funds available to you because it's not just in GBP British pound format. You have it in kind of USD, euros, Swiss francs, etc. on the platforms. So those are my alternatives for Hargreaves Lansdown.